In this video, you'll learn how to resolve the issue of not receiving the verification code from OKX. This guide will help you troubleshoot common problems and ensure that you successfully receive the code needed for verification. First, verify that the phone number or email address you provided is correct. Navigate to your account settings and confirm that your contact information matches what you expect. This step is essential, as any discrepancies can prevent the code from reaching you. Next, ensure that you have included the correct country code if you're using a phone number. The country code is crucial for international numbers, and an incorrect entry will result in the code being sent to the wrong number. Double check this detail before proceeding. After confirming your contact information, check your network connection. A strong internet or mobile signal is necessary for receiving the verification code. If you are using mobile data, ensure that your signal strength is adequate. If you are on Wi-Fi, make sure your connection is stable. If your network is fine, turn off any do not disturb settings or SMS blocking features on your phone. These features can prevent notifications from coming through, including important verification codes. Adjust these settings and try to receive the code again. Once you've made these adjustments, wait a few moments and then tap the resend code button in the application. This action will initiate a new request for the verification code. Be patient, as it may take a few minutes for the code to arrive. If you are expecting an email, check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes important messages can be mistakenly filtered into these folders. Look for any emails from OKX and mark them as not spam if you find the code there. Additionally, if you are using an authenticator app, ensure that the time on your device is accurate. Enable auto sync time in your device settings to keep everything updated. An incorrect time setting can lead to issues with code generation. If you still do not receive the verification code, consider restarting the OKX app or even your phone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor glitches that may be causing the issue. If none of these steps work and the code never arrives, your final option is to contact OKX support. They can provide further assistance and help resolve any underlying issues preventing the code from being sent.